Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure, here we are with remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students. Here Mrs. Sonal Shadoshi from Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College, teaching you all geography today for grade 6, chapter 7, rocks and rock types. Today we are going to learn part 1. What do you mean by the term rock? In previous standard, we have learned that Earth's crust is hard. Crust means the uppermost, coolest layer of the Earth's surface on which we are living. So it is very hard and it is made out of rocks and soil. Rocks are a mixture of different minerals formed by natural processes in lithosphere. Lithosphere means land area on the surface of the earth, while hydrosphere means water bodies on the earth's surface. So rocks are a mixture of different minerals formed by natural processes in the lithosphere. The property of rocks depend upon the constituent of its mineral, their proportion, and the formation process. Now, earth crust is made up of silica, aluminium, and magnesium. So, these three types of metals and iron are the major rock forming minerals. Here I have shown you the rock cycle in a picture. Igneous rocks made out of lava, then they are weathered and get eroded and turns into powdery form and makes sedimentary rock, and after heat and pressure, after bearing pressure and sunlight, sedimentary rock turns into the metamorphic rock, and again that turns into magma over a period of time. So this is the rock cycle which we are going to learn in this chapter. First, before starting that cycle, let us learn three major types of the rocks. Today in this video we are going to learn the first type of rock. The three types are sedimentary rock, igneous rocks, and metamorphic rock. And today we are going to learn primary type of the rock, that is igneous rock. What are the igneous rocks? So when the molten material known as magma within the crust and lava on the surface cools down, it solidifies, giving rise to rocks. Now any liquid material, due to the cool temperature, it turns into the solid. So when lava erupts from the interior of the earth on the surface of earth, after a period of time it cools down and that cooled magma turns into the rock. That rock is known as igneous rock. Now as these rocks are formed out of the material from interior of the earth, these are also known as primary rocks. Mostly the rocks appear hard and homogeneous, and these are heavy as well. We do not get fossils in these rocks, and the plateaus of Maharashtra and Sahyadris are mainly made up of these rocks. Now, what do you mean by the plateau? By the term plateau? So, mountains have a pointed peak, while plateaus have a flat top. That is the difference between plateaus and the mountains. Now here you can see the magma chamber inside the earth layer, inside the surface of the earth, and when it erupts comes out as lava, and then it cools down, it gives rise to igneous rocks. Now, there's some fact about Maharashtra. So, most of the hill forts in Maharashtra have lakes or elephant yards. Actually, these are all quarry sites, and rock was extracted from these sites and used for the construction of the forts and other buildings. In the pits and dugouts left behind the rock extraction, water was allowed to accumulate, and these lakes, tanks, were created. So, this is some fact about Maharashtra, its forts, and how it has been constructed. Now, igneous rocks are of two types: extrusive rock, which are formed on the surface of the earth, and intrusive rock, which are formed under the ground. So, today, students, we have learned igneous rocks. So, what are they? So, some were once liquid magma that erupted from volcanoes and then they cooled down very quickly. That gives rise to extrusive type of igneous rocks. And others once liquid magma, but they did not erupt from volcanoes. Instead, they cooled slowly under the ground only. So they are known as intrusive type of igneous rocks. Here are some images of igneous rocks. So in next part we will do sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. Thank you all.